To enhance skills in septic system installations, consider several resources. Firstly, explore relevant books. Septic Tank and Leaching Field Design and Installation by Alan D. Manite offers comprehensive insights. Septic Systems, a Field Inspector's Guide by John M. Endicott provides valuable information from an inspector's perspective. Modern Septic Design and Installation by Eugene R. Conrad gives knowledge into contemporary approaches. Secondly, use online resources. The National Environmental Services Center, or NESC, website at https://nesc.wvu. edu/septic tanks. HDM provides a wealth of information about septic tanks. The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, Septic Systems Design Manual, available at https://www. EPA. gov/septic/septic systems design manual on-site wastewater treatment systems is an important resource for understanding design principles. The International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Officials, or IAPMO, website at https://www. IAPMO.org/ offers industry standards and best practices. The National On-Site Wastewater Recycling Association, or NORA, website at https://www. NORA.org/ is another valuable source for information on wastewater recycling. Thirdly, consider other options such as attending workshops or training sessions that are offered by local organizations or manufacturers to gain practical knowledge. Contact a local septic system installer and ask about apprenticeship opportunities to get hands-on experience. Study septic system design and installation guidelines from your local building department or environmental agency to ensure compliance with regulations. To gain confidence in septic system installations, start with smaller or simpler installations. This will allow you to build experience and confidence gradually. Thoroughly plan and lay out the installation to minimize costly mistakes and ensure a successful outcome. Utilize diagrams and blueprints to help visualize the installation and avoid potential conflicts. Do not hesitate to consult with experts such as a septic system designer or engineer if there are any questions or concerns. The septic industry is constantly evolving, so it is important to stay updated on the latest techniques and regulations. By using these resources and strategies, skills and confidence in septic system installations can be improved.